Hi guys, Tania and Troy here from Roadsafe. We're in Mount Disappointment today with Simon Christie filming for Life Off-Road, and we thought we'd spend a few minutes just to have a chat about a couple of awesome new initiatives that we've got underway. So we've just released an awesome new product to market, which are our soft shackle friendly pink and blue recovery hitches. The kit comes with the recovery hitch and a colour-coded soft shackle. So obviously pink with the pink, blue with the blue. As part of this initiative, we're donating $5 from each unit to the McGrath Foundation and the Beyond Blue Foundation, linked to the colours. So if you buy a pink hitch pack, your $5 goes to the McGrath Foundation. If you buy a blue hitch pack, your $5 goes through to Beyond Blue.
So really excited with these new aluminium soft shackle friendly recovery hitches. They're our own design. Like most of our Roadsafe products, we actually design and develop the profiles and the shapes and the material in-house. Multiple mounting points, so you can orientate different length depending on different tow bars and the like too.
We decided to run with this initiative because we just wanted to give something back to the community. And we felt the McGrath Foundation was a charity that is close to many people's hearts in work. So we selected that one, and then the Beyond Blue because of a few of the challenges that we'd heard about during COVID.
The great thing about these is they're quite versatile, so they fit into the rear tow bar of almost any vehicle, especially if it's got a 50 by 50mm hitch. Great for self-recovery or to help out your mates just in case they get stuck and they need assistance too. So you don't need to be an avid full driver to utilise something like this. Lots of different scenarios and places that something like this will come in handy. So not only are they for a great cause, they're full of features and function that are great for the genuine full driver or any DIY.
You can pick up the pink and blue kits through your local four-wheel drive shops. We've got distributors Australia-wide, and you will have seen quite a bit of information across our Instagram and Facebook, and also through the 4WD TV and Life Off-Road pages.
Jump onto the Roadsafe website, roadsafe.com.au, and in the top right-hand corner you'll find the resellers link, so find a store anywhere in Australia.